Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Rose. Today's video, I'm going to be trying and reviewing a company called Curlsqueen. They are a hair company, and today I'm going to be trying their lock clip-ins. They sent me their clip-in coily textured clip-in locks. There's about 10 pieces, which equals to 100 locks. The locks are 6 inches and they are about 0.2 centimeters wide. Y'all, I'm so excited to try this. I have been looking for a way to make my locks have a little bit more look a little bit more fuller, because like I told y'all in my lock journey video, I do have really fine hair. So when I did lock up, I knew that my hair would be more on the thinner side. But with these clip-ins, I'm hoping to get a fuller and thicker look. The packaging itself is so pretty. Like literally, it's pink. I'm definitely a pink girly if you don't know. Like I love everything pink. And one thing you'll know about me is I really admire good packaging. Inside of this box, there is a mini bag that has a brush. There's also a bonnet. By the way, this is like my first time opening this box. And looks like there's some clip-ins. I guess just in case like you lose any of your clip-ins on the extensions, which is really nice. And then there's a thank you card. And then there's a brochure which has information on the lock and also more information on the company itself. The locks comes in this bag. And this is what the locks look like. They're actually shorter than I thought they would be. But hopefully it adds more layers than it looking choppy. Alright, so this is what the locks look like. Normally, I do wash the hair that is sent to me. It doesn't have any like foul odor. It actually smells like a fresh pack of like wig. So this is the hair. It's actually super thick. I feel like these are kind of much thicker than my locks. Let me see. Actually, they're not. They're about, some of them are thicker and some of them are thinner. I wanted to try these locks because I'm about to get a retie. As y'all can see, like I started on this half of my head, but I haven't started on this half. And I feel like the clip-ins will be better if I do it on hair that is not freshly retied. The clip-ins are actually so sturdy, like they don't feel like flimsy, you know? Okay, so all of these locks seems to have 10 locks on them and about 2 clip-ins. So none of them are like 3 or 4. So I'm gonna go ahead and try these clip-ons on so that we can see what it's looking like. What is it giving? Okay,
this day that God is giving me, I'm not gonna waste this joy deep down inside me. I'm not gonna shake. Been stressed for so long, so stuck in my own way. So I'ma enjoy this moment. It's the day that the Lord has made. It got so hot I thought I wanna die. Blood dripping from my arm, just wanna feel inside. Too afraid to open up, so I'd rather hide. Man, I'm just so grateful that I made it this far. Almost thought I had to call my mama in a cop car. Betty's everything for me and everything I need. I would be nothing if you didn't give me no reason to be. Cause I'm riding through the city. And I ain't worried about it. Come too far.
Soften up the mess, drop it in the water, let the daughter find her image with the rest. She'll be learning how to breathe, spinning through identity, reveal another pretty little scheme. Save her mind, hold her hand, and don't believe a lie. You understand me. Walk her down the valley, pack a piece of heaven for the bottoms of her feet. Teach her how to jump and how to stretch when she reach, like the angels do, and you gon' make it through now. Tell about the healer, greater is the one within, and call him as the leader. Teach her how to hold a pretty hand up to the sky, and never wait upon the giver.
Alright, y'all, I had to put back my jacket because it's freezing cold. Obviously, it's definitely thicker, okay? Look at the difference that this makes, and I'm not even mad at it being like super short. At least for the parts in the front, I do wish that they were longer, maybe like a 10-12 inches, because my locks are, you know, pretty long. But for the fullness, it's definitely doing it. I really like it. But this is what the locks look like. It definitely gives me like such a thicker look. Like I feel like I really have micro locks. So this is a closer look on how it is with my natural locks. You could definitely kind of tell the difference because my ends aren't curly. I'm not gonna lie, they are noticeable because my locks are super duper mature compared to the clip ends. I wish that the clip-ins were locked all the way down. Like literally, this is how much curliness this clip-in has versus my locks, which is locked all the way down. So you see, like there's a big difference. The length is obviously my fault. I should have gotten much longer length, maybe 8 or 10. And I don't want to cut the curly ends because they're going to be much shorter, which I don't want. But I want to make these clip-ins work for me. And I want to show you exactly how to do that. As far as fullness though, they got that. It definitely made my locks super full. It definitely gives the illusion that I have thicker locks compared to this. Okay, and I really like that. I just wish that the locks were locked all the way down because not everybody has curly ends, and it's actually really hard to maintain curly ends. So I wish they had something for that. You can go ahead and lock these yourself with a crochet needle, but as for me and mine, I'm not doing that. But like I said, it's definitely giving fullness. Now let me show you guys a couple of styles that you can do with these locks extensions. guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to this channel and like this video. All right, you guys, that is all that I have for you. I hope that you guys enjoy this video. I had so much fun trying out different hairstyles and trying out this company. If you guys have any other companies that y'all recommend, go ahead and leave them in the comments down below. Or if you have any hairstyle idea that you want me to try on my micro locks, let me know in the comments down below. Also, all of the specs and information about this hair and this company will be in the description if you're interested in purchasing this hair. Thank y'all again for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in the sunrise. Bye!